I almost got my bumper. Guys, I'm so tired. Got home at 4:30. Woke up at 6:30. I woke up at 6. Now we gotta go to work again. It's all fun and games till you gotta wake up and go to work after 2 hours of sleep. After working a full day in the heat indeed. Do I look rough, Trey? What's up, guys? Alright, so we are moments away from arriving at the venue. Actually, we still got about another 20 minutes or so. This one is way out there, about 3.5 hours from the house. So last night, concert, and I didn't get back into the shop until 3:30. If you would follow me on my Instagram, you would know this. And you would have seen the setup from yesterday, but I was tired. Then I had to wake back up at 6 because Trey, the intern, met me at the shop at 7:30 because we need to get here, get set up, get a hotel room, catch some Z's, go do the gig, go back to the hotel room, catch a few more Z's, and then I've got to be at my church, which is 3.5 hours away, at 7:15 because I play the drums. So needless to say, Monday, your man's is gonna be tired. But anyway, I trusted Trey enough to drive. He drove what? He drove a solid 2 hours, didn't he? I was gonna like work on some of the music stuff, but I ended up like falling asleep, and I'm totally sorry, Trey.
Turn right to merge onto US 62 North.
Well, okay then. So the venue today is called the Ravington. I've never been there, but from the looks of it, looks like a pretty nice place. We'll update you when we get to the venue.
What's up, subscribers of John Simmons? We went over and headed to the venue, and we got all our stuff set up, and now we're at the hotel because we're gonna take a fat nap. 2 beds, not 1.
Yeah, 2 beds. Because you're still underage, and that would be a little creepy. Alright, so currently at the venue, a very unorthodox setup. So as you can see, we're like on a corner. We've got one speaker here and one speaker there, and the area behind us is going to be the dance floor whenever we're done. Right now there's a live band playing outside that's going to do their first dances, and then they're going to come back in here for dinner and the rest of the evening. So the setup overall took 15 minutes. Super quick. I mean, maybe 20. But super quick. It's just kind of a weird setup, but using the basic, what I call my classic package, which is Dots Par on a tree, 215s, DDJSC, and that's it. So we're supposed to be here till 11:30. She said it's going to be a party crowd, so we shall see. We really want to thank you all for taking this opportunity to come together to celebrate the union of Erica and Lanier. ready to eat. I'm hungry, tired. You realize, like, in the past 48 hours, I've gotten 8 hours of sleep, worked 40 hours in 2 days. What most people work an entire week in 2 days. So, pro tip. I don't really know if that's a pro tip, but how about business tip? If you want to know what it takes to do this full time, sometimes it takes working 40 hours in 2 days. My advice for you, if you want to do it, it might cost you a little labor, a little blood, sweat, and tears, but it's so much worth it. Because I answer to nobody but myself. All right, so gig over. Wedding, I would give it I'm gonna give it a solid, what do you think, Trey, 7.5?
7.8.
7.8. It was, I mean, the gig went great. We got a little off schedule right there at the beginning, but we were able to make that back up. It wasn't our fault that we got off, just things didn't go as planned. The bride's father was in a band, and they played her first dance and stuff outside. So it was hard trying to get the people from outside to inside, or inside to outside to back inside. So we got off schedule, but that doesn't matter because we were able to get back on schedule by the time we opened the dance floor, which was kind of cool. So the bride, they did the mother-son dance first, and then the father-daughter dance. So they played Moon River by Andy Williams, and then as soon as we got a verse into it, he made me drop the track and play Let's Groove by Earth, Wind & Fire. The father of the bride, he danced all night, and he was really some of the enticement to get people on the dance floor. Once he was out there, packed pretty much the entire night. It did end early, but it wasn't because the music wasn't good. It's just, I mean, I don't know how to explain it, because literally we had a packed dance floor, and it's like somebody said go home, because what, 2 songs later, everybody was gone. So we were supposed to be done at 11:30, and we ended up being done at 10:30, which is fine. But overall, good gig. You know, it's the same set. I'm sorry it's nothing new to you guys, but it was a new venue, so that's something we can kind of go over with clients who call us about that venue. We've been there now, so we know kind of the ins and outs of it, the load in and things of that nature, so we can kind of save those site surveys, because this is 3.5 hours away from our office. Oh, get a close-up. Look at this thing on my face. Maybe it's not a pimple yet, but it's gross. It's freaking gross. You were about to say, yeah, it is gross, weren't you?
No.
Anyway,
it's pretty.
I got nothing to add. We got more. I mean, wedding season is in full swing, as well as event and other stuff season. So, social media. We're gonna put Snapchat here. I don't really use Snapchat anymore because it's so weird now, but add me anyway, because I do snap from time to time. The best social media to follow me on is Instagram, as well as Gmail. Email me any questions, comments, concerns. Don't call me. Y'all have gotten better. I haven't gotten as many calls, but I still get 2 to 3 a week. So stop. I think y'all do it out of spite, but I mean, yeah, don't call me. Be sure to follow Trey the Intern on Instagram. If you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Thanks for staying subscribed. And if you're new around here, why don't you subscribe and then hit that bell so you get notifications on when I update. So yeah, thanks for watching. Good afternoon. Wait, how does Little Dicky say it? Good afternoon, good evening, and good night.